This is really nice. I see. I'm in a candy shop, you know, like a small baby.
Yes.
You know, when you go to a candy
For
shop.
every boy.
Stefan and those people will come and then.
Yeah, 12. Maybe.
So another thing. Oh, it's gold. Can I touch it?
No,
Oh,
for sure.
oh, what is that?
That's just a
Crazy. Come on.
So if you want, you can here take off your earplugs because it will not get so loud here.
Okay.
Yeah. Turn on the word. So okay, you.
Oh, this is the ratchet, isn't it?
Yes. It's a small. It's a small one. As you see.
Look at this ratchet. Whoa. I can hold it, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
So on each part you have about 10 to 12% of this rubbish. Yeah. You can't deny that. And in this part, yeah, the worker has a tool where you can press out this from this rubbish, so that you get only the tool you need later on. The rubbish.
It goes there on the back.
Yeah,
okay.
on the back, and there is a conveyor belt
Okay.
that transports all the rubbish into one pot, so that it can get recycled. Yeah.
Okay. How long is working? Do you know that how long he has been working here?
He?
Yeah.
Wie lange bist du schon bei Hazet? Couple months, over 8 years.
Over 8 years.
Yeah. Over 8 years.
Wow. Over 8 years.
But they also
From there.
who are over 40 years here.
Okay. Thanks. But
Yeah, my father.
His father here is
Yeah.
more than
your
40,
father.
My father.
more than 40 years here, and his sister still works in the sales department.
Okay. So your father is working here like for 40 years.
Yes, right.
Hazet family.
Of course.
Die Schwester ist auch schon bestimmt 15, 20 Jahre.
15.
Ja.
14, 15.
Ja.
Right.
Okay.
More ratchets. Oh, it's getting. What is that metal? You made from.
That's also the hammers, yeah? We make
So these
this
are
out of it.
dies.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so these are dies.
We get this raw material here.
Okay.
Then
So
we have this person on this machine. He does all the outer forms, yeah?
So
For
he makes the
example,
dies.
Yeah, he makes the dies. He makes this cut out. It's just to
Okay.
place it right on the hammer. yeah?
Okay.
And he also do this here. You see, that's the part where it gets put on the hammer, so to hold it on the hammer. Yeah.
Why you need more dies? I mean, it get weaker and weaker or something, or
Yeah. When you produce some thousand of this tool, you have the problem that on some parts, because of the power, you press every time again and again. So you have some cutouts here.
okay.
And then
So
you
they
come-
have to renew it all the time.
Right. And that happens here.
So it's like how many, like 1,000 times after that, or
More. 20 more. Yeah.
20 more? Okay.
It's
So, these dies, it's not allowed to film. We look for some
sorry.
other things.
It's not allowed to film.
No, so you film, show you some other
And in
things.
this
But can I film?
that this machines is, that's you can work in the hard material, yeah.
Okay.
So they get hard inside here. You get up to 42,000 rounds per minute, yeah.
Okay.
And specialist, you have the movements the machine makes are so fast that the heat doesn't come after it. So
Okay.
it stays in the rubbish that flies away.
All
So
right.
you don't need any cooling mechanisms except of some air that blows all the rubbish away. Yeah.
All right.
So
Jetzt ja schon sind die gesenkt hier. Ne?
when we start, we try the blocks to do it on their max length, yeah, so that you can use it quite often, because when you have a part that breaks out, yeah, you have to work on it. You can see
This one I can film it.
here.
look at this. It's a newer one, right?
That's a quite new one, but you can't tell if this block is new or old, but
But it's like that, they make it in a hand.
yeah,
like
of course,
that.
of course. But you see, that's some years, I think, it worked because you see some blocks that are high like this, yeah? Then you can tell, okay, that's a new one. And when it's used, it gets worked down. So it's old when it's quite like this.
So
Yeah.
for example, here, if you can see that one, it's a little bit.
Yeah. You see, it is.
Yeah, it's a little bit deformed.
Yeah,
like
yeah, right.
deformed.
Right.
There also,
Yeah,
if you see.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, and this one is
And
a
when
big-
they are used, yeah, they get back on the machine, and you form exactly the same shape again, but some millimeters deeper.
okay, so they fix it again or like that.
right.
All right. So they fix it again and they can reuse it.
Yes.
Until it's not.
Until it's like this, and then it's from the material. It's to yeah.
All right.
It's a word for if you build up some houses. Here are, if you build some houses, this is the word of all these guys. It's so expensive.
If I build a
If it is, maybe you build a house in Finland and you pay for this 400, 500,000. Here are some,
it's like that one.
as in comparison to here are stands 2 or 3
It costs
big
more.
houses.
Yeah, it costs.
Very expensive, much work inside.
These all cost 4 or 5 houses. More than 4 or 5 houses.
Some very interesting thing to know.
Yeah, it's really interesting fact actually.
Another important information for you and the community. Hazet do not only develop and create the tools, so we do more. We create and develop all these forging dies by ourselves. So we produce the tools into the tools were produced later on.
Yeah.
So
Wow,
that
that's
you can,
amazing. So it means that one to produce a tool, every raw material also, and the dies and everything from the beginning, everything is made by Hazet. So like every process is controlled by Hazet, so they don't take any risk getting another party or something like that.
So we do it by our own.
Everything
and
by your
we
own.
produce the forging dies. That means the tools in which were our tools were produced.
This is awesome. Can you hold it for a second? I just.
Ich sag mal, geplant war ja, dass wir, ich könnte auf die Uhr gucken, bis halb 4 machen. Dann morgen früh die restlichen Berg 1 feiern. Nee, Moment, morgen vielleicht.
Hey, thank you very much.
No problem.
Look at that guy, the small assistant. I did not sleep for the last 48 hours and I don't feel tired at all. I'm so excited to see all those other tools.